Hello dear viewers. You see two spectra of electromagnetic background up to 24 kHz, obtained from two low-resistance and low-inductance coils on a steel core. Photo of the sensor on the splash screen. It is connected to the line input of the sound card of a consumer PC and stands next to it. On the spectrum, frequencies up to 10 Hz and so can be attributed to geomagnetic fluctuations. Periodic frequencies in the region of 30 Hz are attributed to artificial sources, possibly to communications with submarines. Frequency 50 Hz, local power grid, as well as its harmonics 100, 150, etc. The frequency of 60 Hz refers to the power grids of the USA, Japan, etc. All higher frequencies are related to interference from household appliances and VLF signals. Recording was carried out in Krasnodar.